In my previous video, I may have left the impression I have a sweet tooth, since I have concentrated on desserts, cakes and ice creams. Today, I'm intending to try something new and different from what we have tried on earlier videos. It is a savory dish. I was watching a 1960s TV program in which the presenter mentioned a recipe called Chicken Supreme with white wine sauce. The ingredients are 4 chicken breasts, 3 carrots, 7 potatoes, 2 onions, 200 grams of fresh asparagus, 20 grams of coriander leaves, 20 grams of parsley, olive oil, 1 cube of vegetable stock, 2 garlic bulbs or 2 tablespoons of powdered garlic, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried sage, 1 large glass of white wine, a half a cup of white flour, 100 grams of unsalted butter. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. While in a bowl you mix the vegetable stock cube, olive oil and garlic powder together. Coat the chicken breasts in the mixture. Place them in a baking dish greased with butter. Put them in the oven and allow them to bake for 30 minutes. In a steamer, place the chopped carrots together with spinach and asparagus. Steam them until tender. On a chopping board, cut the potatoes into halves. Cook them until tender. Remember to turn the chicken breasts around after 15 minutes for even cooking. For the white wine sauce, mix butter, salt, wine, dried sage and black pepper. Add a half a cup of flour and mix all the ingredients very well before taking them to the stove. Once melted, boil the mixture until it reaches a porridge-like consistency. Now chop the onions and add half of them to the sauce. Finally, take the chicken breasts out of the oven. Add the extra chopped onion, parsley and coriander. Pour the white wine sauce on top of the mixture. Put the chicken back in the oven. At a temperature of around 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or less if the chicken is well cooked for you. When ready, take it out of the oven and bon appetit!